about baseball. Got this Dodgers little hat and I got nachos in it. After a late night at the Dodgers game and my mom's jet lag, we had a late start to our Wednesday. We walked around Lincoln and ended up at Zinke to have pancakes for brunch. There are a few things my mom and I do every time we're in the US, and hitting up the quintessential American home goods stores is one of them. We shopped our hearts out at Michael's, Ross, Marshall's, and Home Goods. I always find the cutest party goods at Home Goods. In the evening, I headed to the new Levain Bakery in Venice before their official opening that Friday to take some content for work. They were still finishing up these amazing paintings, and they had all of the limited edition seasonal cookies that I've been dying to try. The director of marketing gave me so many cookies to take home to my friends, and I tried them all, but the lemon cookie was the best flavor. Hi guys, and we're at Restoration Hardware at Fashion Island, and it's such a nice day out. We can see the beach, and we're about to go dine at the RH rooftop. I put on so many notifications on Open Table to make a reservation there. When I called, they were like, it's booked until May, but I was able to get a reservation, so we're starving. We're also so sleepy. My mom is so jet lagged, but so excited to check it out. I'm wearing this new top that I got from Zara. How cute is it? Let's go. Ever since I was young, my mom had a crafting business where she teaches her students how to transform a piece of cardboard into beautiful home decor using fabric. So anytime we're in cities like Paris or New York, I grew up going to the fabric district, translating between English and Japanese to source supplies with my mom. According to her, LA has one of the best fabric stores in the world. I feel like I'm acting like my mom's assistant, being her translator. Also, since we're all the way in downtown LA, I saw that there's the Okayama Kobo Bakery nearby, which has a banana cream matcha, and I definitely need to add this to the matcha map, so I think we're gonna go right after this. What is it? She's crying because she found the fabric of her dreams that she's been dying to get. Yo, me too. After a matcha pick-me-up, we went back exploring. This is my first time in Little Tokyo, and while it was very scenic, I much prefer the atmosphere of Sawtell for Asian food. We grabbed the cod roe takoyaki for a snack, which is our favorite, and headed to Angel's Flight for a quick ride up the stairs. This turned out to be a lot bumpier than we expected. Right next to Angel's Flight is the Grand Central Market, which houses a ton of food vendors like the infamous Villa's Tacos. We were so full from all of our snacking, but ended up making room for their classic taco, and it was so worth it. I completely get why this had the Michelin Bib Gourmand 2 years in a row. 2 hours away from Palm Springs.
맞다네. 운대.
We made it. It was like 3 hours of driving. That's a long time. But it's so pretty. Back to being a passenger princess. I drove for like 3.5 hours already today, so my mom's taking over and we are headed to the Ace Hotel in Palm Springs. A backstory, for the startup that I work for always gets opportunities to go to new restaurants or different hotels, and so I'm going to the Ace Hotel for work to get some content, and luckily my mom is visiting at the same time, so we can go visit it, and then afterwards we're going to Drift Hotel for something personal, like taking content on for my own freelance project. But it's gonna take us like an hour and a half to get there. We just stopped at the most beautiful like stargazing spot. We were actually gonna go to Hidden Valley, but this is like way cuter. And yeah, it's 3:30, so hopefully we'll get there by like 5. Let's do a quick room tour. We were at the very edge of the property, so far away from the pool party, which was really nice. And there was this huge patio space with a fireplace. And then the room itself was cute, very Palm Springs old school vibes. What I loved most about this room are the robes that they provided. They're so cute. They also have an open bathroom, and their shower products are Uka, which is a Japanese essential oil brand. So we were so surprised by that. We're going to the Amigo room for an experience.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means, but I think it's just dinner. We'll see. It is around 9 o'clock and we are headed to the pool at the Ace Hotel before we have to check out around 12. Today we went to the Amigo room. It's the newly renovated bar in Ace Hotel and it was so pretty in there. We met the owner. Drinks were absolutely delicious and we got this like raspberry rosemary cocktail, and I love raspberry anything. That was so good. And then the other thing we had was called corn and oil, but it's basically rum with like all these spices and a coconut foam on top. So like a really good pina colada. Yeah, now we're going to pool and then maybe have like breakfast by the pool. Oh, another thing we're doing today is going to the Marilyn Monroe statue. Sands Hotel is a super cute pink hotel. So I want to show my mom there, and then we're checking in at the Drift Hotel around 4 o'clock. Sunscreen from Everyday Humans, my journal, and the book that I'm currently reading, my digital camera so that maybe we can take pictures. Breakfast time. Pink Hotel in Palm Springs, or I think it's in Palm Desert. So we went to see the Marilyn Monroe statue, and it's actually going to take us like 30 minutes to get there, which is very far, but it's super cute and pink. So we're gonna have lunch there. This is weird. These are olives. They're so salty.
Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're not bound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go down.
We're on our way to Rooster and the Pig, which is a Vietnamese restaurant. We're kind of sick of American food. It's right next to the Drift, so we'll do a quick dinner and then I have some work to do. Just kidding, that was not the vibe. I think we're going to Starbucks for coffee. And then I just want to get some fruit somewhere. What? So I'm in the Starbucks in Palm Springs and I found coconut matcha and citrus matcha. So apparently this is the only place that has it and they're testing it out. Which is such a crazy coincidence, but here it is. The color in the sun looks really good. I feel like it is a little dull. Like, I don't know if this is cinnamon yogurt. I'm seeing some clumps. But let's test it out. I've never had coconut matcha. That's really good. It mainly tastes like lemonade. It's really refreshing. We're trying Panera for the first time. Back in the day, in like 2017, maybe even earlier, I kept hearing about Panera. Like, this is the Tumblr days. No, lemonade was a thing, Panera was a thing. Regardless, I've never had it, and we're here. I'm starving. We're here at this like mall, and my mom and I are shopping, and it's her last day, so we don't have time to just like sit and eat somewhere nice. So we're here at Panera. I got this chicken chipotle sandwich with avocado, and then she really wanted to get the Caesar salad. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, that's good. Very salty. Everything we've eaten recently is so salty. actually a nice little patio.